Welcome everyone to Carol's Art Room. Today in my video I'm going to do a bloom on this large 10 by 10 canvas. I think it's 10 by 10. No, it's 8 by 8. 8 by 8 canvas. Just going over an old one. So my house paint pillow it's a mist tint. That's like a violet color. It was a little bit lighter than that. I added some purple paint to it to darken it a bit, but it's good. It'll go with the colors I'm using today. I'm using some like Valentine colors. Pink, red, purple, and some gold. All right. All right, so the colors today, Liquitex Basics Deep Violet. It's I haven't used this one in a while. It's very pretty. But it's opaque. So put this on the bottom. Just adding a little more water. It's probably going to have lots of air bubbles. The next one is red. It's Crimson by Winsor & Newton. It's a really bright, pretty red. It's a transparent color. And then the next one I'm going to use is going to be DecoArt Amethyst. Extreme Sheen. And then I've got some gold. This is Pebeo Iridescent Gold. I hope the gold shows up. Some of my paintings, the gold gets buried, so second from the top hopefully should be good. And this is Pink Tourmaline by DecoArt, and this little piggy Fairy Floss. And it's made a really pretty color. Okay, I'm going to use black and white cell activator and my mini blower. My recipes for this is in the description under my video. First I'm going to put down some white. And then a little bit of black. Oxide Black by Amsterdam. Okay. Straight down and then out. lately I've been adding a little more cell activator than I used to, and it works out better. That's very pretty. Whoa. And there's my gold. Here, here, there, there. Awesome. Oh, this one came out really nice. Can hold it up. All right. Oops. I don't have any paint under here, so this is going to slide. I just put a new plastic down too. Well, it's all moving, which I like. It didn't get stuck in the middle. Holy moly. I wish I'd have blown this side out a little bit more. Whoop. Okay, so I'm just gonna it's kind of oblong. I love this pretty pink here. Okay, now I don't know what's going to happen when I might have to put a little bit of paint down. Usually I have some paint on here and or it sticks, not very slippery, but let's see what we get. I don't want to do it too hard. Put a little bit more here. Who doesn't like pink and red? Purple. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Well, at least I'm going to have some negative space. I don't mind it. I love that bright red there. It's beautiful with that. With a deep purple beside it. A lot of air bubbles here. Let's see if this is moving at all. Yeah, it's moving in the middle still. Give it another spin. Once the paint goes down to the sides, it usually stays on the spinner. Wow, that center is so pretty. With the white and the purple. One more spin, I think. Oh, there you go. What do you think? Looks pretty dark here when I look in the camera, but it's not really. It's just bright red. It's pretty. No. Okay, I think that's enough spinning. Which way do I like it? This way. There. Thanks for watching, and have a good day, everyone. See you in my next video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And come back for some more bloom fun and swipe fun. See you. Bye-bye. Have a good day. Hi, everybody. It's my 8x8 canvas. Dried pretty good. Love it. Take you in for a close-up. Look, that red in there is pretty, pretty. I think it turned out pretty good. Awesome. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.